Okay guys, I just want to direct your attention to a certain page in your book here. The page number is on page 153. So at this time I'd like for you to pause the video and I'd like you guys to try number 5 on this page. So pause the video and try number 5 out. Okay, so if we're going to take a look at the answer for number 5, here's what we need to do. The first step in a word problem is always draw it out. Get yourself a diagram of what's going on here. Okay, so this one says find the surface area of a pipe that has a diameter of 4.5 centimeters, a diameter, remember a diameter is the total distance across a circle, and a length of 18.8 centimeters long. So the first step here is to draw this thing out. Let's draw ourselves a pipe. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing a pipe like this. Circle, and my pipe is going to go out that way here like this. Okay, and so essentially here's the other side of my pipe, and dotted lines, it's kind of on the inside, looks like that. Here's my pipe. Okay, it's 18.8 centimeters long, so I'm going to put 18.8 centimeters from here to here. And it says that the diameter of that pipe is 4.5 centimeters. So this diameter here, distance across there to there, is 4.5 centimeters. Okay, now something to recognize about pipes is pipes don't have anything on the end. Imagine a pipe that water would travel through or anything like that. They don't have things on the ends of them. They're hollow. So we don't have to include the circle on the top here. There's no circle here. This is a hollow pipe, so there's no circle here. Okay, otherwise the liquid in there isn't going to be able to move. And there's no circle on the other side of the pipe either. It's hollow. So there's no circle here. So all we really are concerned about is the outside piece of this pipe, which I'll highlight here in blue. This round piece here, all around the pipe. So that's all that we're concerned about, is this piece here, and it goes all the way around like that on the inside. Okay, so we're trying to find that, and essentially what this looks like is it looks like this. It's a big rectangle where this value here is the circumference around the circle, and this value here is the height or length of that pipe. So I'll just put L, because that means the length. Okay, in the previous example we looked at, it was the height because the cylinder was upright, but this time it's on its side, so we'll just call it length. Doesn't matter. Now, what we can actually do is this length, we know it. It's 18.8 centimeters, so I'm going to actually put that in here. 18.8 centimeters. Okay, now all that's left is to find the circumference. Now, last time I showed you two formulas for circumference. Circumference is equal to 2 times pi times r, or we have this formula here. Circumference is equal to pi times d, which is diameter. Well, in this question, we've been given diameter. So why don't we just use that one instead here? So we're going to use the diameter one. It's 4.5. So if I want the circumference is equal to pi times my diameter, which is 4.5 centimeters. Okay, and let's calculate that. So we have pi times 4.5, pi times 4.5, and that gives us approximately 14.1. Okay, so that circumference is about 14.1 centimeters. And now all that's left is to find the area of that rectangle. Well, area of rectangles is length times width, but in this case, the length is c, and the width is going to be the length of our cylinder. Previously was the height, but we'll just call it that weird L value. So we have 14.1 is the c value, 18.8 here. So we multiply those together. We get 265.08, so about 265.1. Oops. So the area here is 265.1 square centimeters. And that's our answer. So we didn't need to find those two little circles because this is a hollow pipe. Okay. Now, I'd like you guys to try out the question just above number 5, which is number 4 here. So, find the surface area of a cylindrical tank that has a radius of 1.5 meters and a height of 5 meters. And in the next video, I will show you how to solve that.